Wall covering is repairable and will not flash like paint. Patching in is an easy way of restoring damaged wall covering, and once complete leaves a seamless invisible repair. As can be seen here, the damaged wall covering is cut out. This is achieved by cutting at right angles around the damaged area in order to produce a square. The damaged wall covering is then removed. Using a sponge, any remaining paper backing is also removed as shown. Using a spatula, the replacement wall covering is then applied. 2 horizontal and 2 vertical splices are then cut slightly larger than the area to be repaired as shown. Once cut, the excess wall covering is then removed and the replacement patch is set aside. Any existing wall covering is then removed along with any remaining paper backing. The patch is then placed over the damaged area and smoothed into place, leaving a seamless invisible repair.